Most of the time it's caused by a flapper. That's the flapper right here. The flapper's probably not giving you a good seal. Or it could be the fill valve, which is not stopping when it fills up at the proper level. It fills up the water and overflows into the flush valve. That could also be the other problem. I'll shut off the water. This flapper just clips on the back of the flush valve. Easy to take off. Gonna remove the clip from the handle. After I remove this, I kind of run my finger on the flush valve, make sure there's no residue from the previous flapper. Give it a nice clean start. There's just a clip down here that releases. I'm gonna pull it up. So this is the clip I was talking about. Secures the fill valve. This is the full assembly. Just take this off. Put the new one on. Push it down. I'm gonna make sure the water outlet is pointing towards the flush valve right here. I'm gonna put it down almost maybe a few inches above or an inch above before I push this clip down to secure it. Grab this hose, you can shove it in there. I like to shove it pretty far down in there so it's secure. Grab the fill valve so you don't break it as you're trying to push this on. Just wiggle the hose on. Bam. First I'm going to take this hook off so I don't have to dig for it while the flapper's on. Connect one side, connect the other side. Now I'm going to measure. I don't know if you can see the chain, but it's all the way up. So once I attach that hook, it should be right, almost perfectly. It should be just enough. Well, let's see what happens. Let me put this on. Put it on the last link. Connect it. Put that down. And yeah, still a little bit of play in the chain. That's what you want. Now when I lift it, let's turn this water back on. Let this fill up. I think that's it. That'll do it. I just lessened it a couple of turns, so it'll go a little bit lower, which is good, what I want. But yeah, easy fix, running toilet fix.